Now, folks, now we got our liquor. Let's go for the adventure home. Just about lost our hats. Oh, look at the trees down there.
Stay away from the trees.
Yeah. Oh, look at that gale force almost. Like, holy crap, look at that. Look at the trees in the oh, you can't really tell as much as I can, but trees in the graveyard there are just folding over. They say there's going to be a tornado warning. There's a tornado warning. I don't doubt it. Look at those trees. Yep, there's some right there. How do you like that? Oh, one's broken right there too. And over there.
Over here.
And a whole bunch of trees just ripped right out. Holy crap. Holy crap. I was not expecting that kind of a storm. Wow.
Oh, up here.
Oh, look ahead, folks. Wait till you see this.
Away from the trees.
Holy moly. This is just brutal. Oh, we got fire department.
Yeah.
Get out of the way, people.
Let's go. Wait.
You going straight? No, he turned.
Probably a tree over there. Get away from the trees.
Yep. Wow. Snap, crackle, pop. There goes the trees. Oh, more branches coming down. Yeah, people, don't just stop. Just turn. Get out of there. Don't turn left. Don't go across the highway. Yeah, you don't want to chance Finley?
No.
Finley Bridge, not so smart. People don't know how to drive across it as it is. You're gonna chance it?
There's a space right here.
I can't wait for my girlfriend to see this. Oh yeah, look at that. That's some pretty heavy water flow coming down there, and it's just starting. Oh, wow. I've never seen trees uprooted like that before. I think I'm gonna watch over there because I have a feeling that one of those trees right there might get ripped right out.
You wait till I reverse that.
Oh, I think it's gonna be worse than there?
Funnels, wind.
Oh, no way. I just thought about
Depends
that.
what way the wind's coming. It's going over top of the road here, but if the way it is coming, it'll funnel.
Nasty. Oops. What's that? Might be. Well, oh, got some lightning in that one. I think I caught it too. And the crappy thing is those old ones have the old brittle branches on it, or the, look at that, just bend it over, just touch that building with it. Come on, people, go. I don't want to be stuck here for another light. Suckers. Oh, wow. Oh, hydroplane. Yeah. not a little bit choppy down there, but that's about it. A little bit wavy. All these little sapling trees just about. Like I hope they stormed the weather pretty well, because they're whipping around like flags. Oh wow. I usually don't find that pine trees usually have too much of a problem in this kind of stuff. It's all the deciduous ones, especially the big old ones like that have all the lots of, you know, half dead branches on them and stuff. You just start shedding them all. Oh, it seems to be not so bad right here, right now. Mind you, we're not quite in Riverside yet, but wow.
I won't park in a tree.
Don't blame you. Oh, my truck, where is it?
Not near a tree.
I hope not.
No, on the other side of the road.
Oh, it's in the front. Okay, thank God. Whew. No, it sucks to be buddy. Bad time to walk. Oh, big puddle coming. You're gonna hit it?
Half the fun.
Oh, there we go. Here we go, folks. We're gonna do a little bit of puddle stomping. Oh, that's so much fun. Even though I know it's illegal to do, I would love to see a person there. Oh, bench blew over.
Oh, look at that tree.
Oh no, look at that. Ripped right out. Oh, it didn't hit their house, I don't think. Lucky. Whoa, lightning! Well, I'm kind of glad we actually went and did that. No, more trees down. Another bench flipped over. Those are concrete benches, folks. Those things are not light. Trees down, branches down, limbs littering the street. Oh, another bunch of branches ripped off. It's gonna be bad. This is old school part of town too. This is really old. Holy, look at the size of these branches that are ripped off. Man, I wouldn't want to park anywhere on this street. The road's blocked off halfway. Oh no. Oh, this whole corner is destroyed. Wow. I think I'm going to send this one into the Weather Channel. You can hear all this, like tree chunks falling down, hitting the vehicles. Oh, another guy's on a bad day for a walk. Sorry, folks. Wow. And we're almost home, folks. Oh, there's an ashtray right there. It was part of it. And the garbage cans are tossed all over the place, or the spill kits, whatever they are. Nope. Power's out. It means probably a main switching station got hit. Or a main power line somewhere. Oh, and this place I don't really care about too much, but luckily so far. Oh yeah, neighbors. Oh, that one. No, it didn't hit the house. Act of God, just about hit the house, but not quite. Wow. Ooh, we have a big puddle here. Well, let's hit that sucker real hard. Guess I don't need to worry about watering the lawn, eh? Oh, well, folks, we made it home. One piece. We're gonna drown a little bit getting out, I think, but I suppose I should maybe go move all those storm windows. Oh yeah, avoid the trees. Well, Chris, we made it. Anyways, goodbye, everybody.